Bring attention to where your body meets the earth right now, in this moment. And in this moment, there is nowhere else you need to be. And we acknowledge the land where we stand, its ancestors of past, present, future, flora, fauna, and beyond. We invite our sacred entourage, benevolent, to guide and guard, connect, protect, and bring the blessings and prosperity we best need, and that we don't know we need, in this moment, with grace and ease, and love and joy. Grateful for Mother Ocean, for Mother Earth, and for all the medicine that she gives us without asking anything in return. Thank you. And thank you for the prosperity and guidance and clarity already received. And we welcome more prosperity, because the more we have, the more we have to give. And prosperity is beyond the material. Prosperous joy, prosperous love, prosperous supportive soul family, prosperous soul-satisfying sovereignty. Take a deep breath and connect to this ocean medicine. And give thanks. Bless you.